YUYAO KANGTAI Pipe Technology Company Limited, established in 2012, is a professional engaged in the research, development, sale, and service of manifolds, pre-filter, thermostatic mixing valve, pressure-reducing valve, and mixing unit. We are located alongside the beautiful city in YUYAO, Zhejiang Province, with convenient transportation access. It is nearly to Ningbo Port. Our company occupies an area of 500 square meters. We have 105 employees in the company. 10 of them are technicians, many powerful technical staff members, so we are capable to keep developing new products. With a wide range, good quality, reasonable prices, and stylish designs, our products are extensively used in floor heating and other industries. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. Our sales manager can speak English, Chinese, and Russian. They are very experienced in sales. In addition, we have obtained CE certificates. Our quality department strictly controls the quality, incoming inspection, process inspection, outgoing inspection, guarantee the quality of every product. So our products are exported to clients in such countries and regions as Spain, Russia, Greece, Poland, Ukraine, and Slovenia, etc. We also welcome OEM or ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements.